XRP holding strong, and Bitcoin breaks resistance. Look like it's ready to go on another bull run. We will talk about these things and much more on this episode of Max Crypto News. Grand Rising family, how y'all doing this morning? Great day. I'm glad. Listen, family, if you're not subscribed to BitMax on YouTube, family, listen, click this link, go to the YouTube page and subscribe to the channel, family. Also, if you're into crypto and you need some advice or somebody to help you go down the right path, listen, family, please email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Again, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com so you can get access to the first 3 weeks of classes that we have taken, the videos, and also get access to the other videos that will be forthcoming in the coming weeks, family. Listen, man, the market is growing. Things is moving real fast. And I'm going to start this video off with something I sent out to all the students in this class this morning. I called it this morning. I sent a video out around 7 o'clock to all the students and told them exactly what I'm about to show y'all. So let me share my screen. Family, you need to email me at maxcryptonews and get involved in this class, right? Because I want you to check this out. I want you to listen to this, and we're going to play about a good 15 seconds. And listen to this video that I made earlier this morning. Looking at this Bitcoin chart, family, and, you know, from what I'm seeing, if Bitcoin can get over 18,500, we got over 18,500 today, right? We got over for a split second when we came down, right? But if Bitcoin can get over 18,500, family, I think we're gonna go on an uptrend. I got this line here, 18,664. Like, you know, this is the resistance, because the last time we hit it, we bounced, right? And when you understand the charts, especially Bitcoin, we have resistances where we will hit it, we'll bounce, and we'll come back and try to push through. If we can get over 18,500 and stay over that range, I think we're gonna test this resistance again, family. And the reason why I really believe that we possibly may get above this resistance, because 7 days ago, all right, well, that's enough, family. I can't give you no more because this is only for my students, well, not my students, but my partners that's a part of that class with me also, family. So they got that video first thing this morning. I talked about the market and I called it. I said if Bitcoin were to get over 18,500, we had that resistance at 18,664, and we surpassed it just like I called it first thing this morning, family. So you want to email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com and get these notifications, because these notifications are on time, online, and right. It gives you a good morning wake up to look in the market and make positive decisions, right? With that being said, family, we're going to jump right into here. Now, yesterday was the Spark token and the airdrop, and, you know, we're going to go to CoinMarketCap. We're going to start off at CoinMarketCap. We can see right now the market is up $550 billion. That means we're on the uptrend. Something is happening. So right now we got Bitcoin at $18,800, well above that area that I said. You got Ethereum moving up $568. You got XRP still at 50 cents, family. This is a great sign for the XRP family, the XRP army. Listen, this is a great sign. I'm going to talk a little bit more about XRP today. We're going to look at the chart. You got Litecoin moving up 5% at $76.70. Bitcoin Trash at $267. You got Chainlink up 3.5% at $12. Cardano at 14 cents, up almost 2%. You got Polkadot up 1.69%, $4.74. Binance Coin $28.15, up 2%. Then you got Stellar up 0.34% at 15 cents. You know, Stellar and XRP, they kind of like move hand in hand, family. They're like sisters and brothers. They're attached to each other. Then we're going to always, I told y'all, we're paying attention to NEXO because I've been telling y'all about NEXO. NEXO is now number 57. Is at 52 cents, up 7.0% in the day. It's slowly moving up. It's almost within the top 50. It's moving, right? So let's go straight to the charts, family. We're gonna go straight to Bitcoin, see how Bitcoin looking. Now check it out. This is the 1 hour chart, right? So this morning when I made this video, we was around here. I made this video this morning and I sent it out to all my partners that's a part of the class. We was around here this morning when I sent it out. And we had a minor dip and then we pushed right up past this resistance. This 18,670, we pushed right up past it. And now we moved up here to 18,800 and we caught up to this 290-day moving average, which is very important, family, right? So listen, what I wanted you to see was in the 1 hour chart, you can see how we had tested this resistance and we got rejected. And this time we surpassed this resistance. Now, this is an area of support, wherein if we bounce off this, this is a support area now. So it's looking real good. Bitcoin is looking real bullish right now, right? And we're looking good. The reason why I really was making that call earlier today was because 7 days ago, we can see 7 days ago how we had dipped under this. About 7 days ago, we hit this resistance line and we dipped under it. And I was looking at here it is the next 7 days, and we can do a reversal. And that's exactly what we did. So Bitcoin is looking good in the 1 hour. We go to this 30-minute chart. It's looking even better on the 30-minute chart because we done got over this 290-day moving average. We're above the moving average right now. So that's a great sign because if you look, we was under this moving average all along, family. While we dipping, we under it. All of a sudden now, we back above it, right? The last time we was on this moving average, we were moving sideways, right? But that's a good sign when you're moving sideways because we're not under the moving average really. Then you can see we're above it, right? The moving average always is very critical and reliable to understand where we're headed. So right now we've got back above this moving average. We got a little bullish cross right here. We tried to get to a bearish, but it's still a bullish cross, and we're looking good, family. It looks like we're gonna close tonight. At least if we close above this 18.6, that's a great sign, family. So we're a little bit oversold in the RSI, but we're gonna catch up with that, and that's what we wanted to see. Bitcoin look like it's making that power move. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. 5 minute, here we go. We looking good. We done made that change. Bitcoin done made that move. Look how we're above that. Look, we made that move. Now it's up to the runners. We actually got close to, what's that, 1,800, 1,950, $55. So we got close to this 19,000 mark, right? When you look at it, you know, to me, when I look at it, you know, this right here at 19, I'm gonna put this here. That right there is another resistance we got, right? I mean, well, oh yeah, resistance line that we gotta. Now I'm expecting us to bounce off that though. I'm not expecting us to push right through that like we did today. I'm expecting when we get to this 1900, we're probably gonna hit it and reject. We're gonna get rejected because usually we have to hit it a couple times before we can push past it. So we might hit it and it might reject us, but we got this 18.6 basically as a support line. If we come back down, it should be a form of support for us now, and then we're gonna come back. So it might be we'll go up, hit it, come back down. You know, hopefully we don't test the support because we don't want to hang on the support. Hopefully we get real close to it, and then we start uptrending, and then we go up. You know what I'm saying? But basically we hit this V, and then take off, family, right? But we're looking good. So let's get on to the XRP, because to be honest, family, I'm surprised, right? I expected XRP to actually go a little bit further, but we didn't. XRP, this resistance has been holding up strong, family. We only touched this 45 cent. We did touch it. Oh no, that was on the 26th. We haven't got back to touch that 45 cent barrel, which is a great sign. You know, once I saw that Bitcoin was taking off, I knew that it was going to be a great sign for XRP, because, you know, as Bitcoin moves, all of them are going to move, even though XRP was looking very bullish. But when Bitcoin started moving, I knew that it was going to affect everything. And you can see that it happened. So XRP is still looking good, around 50 cents. That's a great sign. As long as XRP closes over 50 cents tonight, that's an even greater sign, family. Now anybody that took my advice and sold and brought back in, because I tell you, I send out information to all my partners in the class. Anybody that's in that class, we're partners, and they got the information when to buy back. If you sold, I told them when to get it back, right? Because we want to get it back and we want to be able to take profit. So I don't understand, like, if you had $1,500 in XRP and you sold it and USDT for $1,500 and you just buy it back and you get more than what you had initially. Because that Spark token and Flare Network, oh, it's gonna be something great, family. We're gonna talk about that in the upcoming days. But XRP is looking good. That's the 1 hour. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart. We're still looking good. We got a little bearish cross right here, but we see the moving average is about to connect again. They're about to touch. So we look like we're about to go into a bullish cross, a little miniature one. And long as we're moving sideways, that's a good sign. The XRP army is strong. I was teasing y'all yesterday, but I'm a part of the XRP army too, because I got XRP just like everybody else. Don't get it twisted, right? But we ain't got no love. We about profits and losses. But when we go to the 5-minute chart, we can see that we bounced off the 50 cent line and we're moving. Now, just like with Bitcoin, we need to catch up with this moving average and get above it, family. So right now we're under it, but at least right here, this is a little bearish cross, but we're moving. They're trying to get a little bit closer. It was a little bit undersold here under the RSI. The volume is moving up, but we're looking good, family. So now, let me see what else we're gonna look at. We're gonna look at a little bit of NEXO, family, because right now, according to what I'm seeing, NEXO is more than XRP. NEXO is at 54 cents right now, and XRP is around 50 cents, right? So let's check out the chart. Let's check out the chart real fast, you know. So y'all give me a quick second. Let me check this chart out real fast. All right. All right, so when you're looking at this chart, family, you can see that basically NEXO is in this trend, right? In between this trend, this is how NEXO has been moving as of late, right? And you can see it's looking good. It's staying within this trend and it's moving up, family. You know, the fact that NEXO got up to, it got up to 58 cents today. You know, 58 cents is the all-time high, family. Let me let y'all know something about NEXO. 58 cents is the all-time high, and I guess that was the high that when it first hit the market, it started off at 58 cents. So we have touched the all-time high with NEXO at 58 cents. So this is like I told y'all, we trying to figure out where the market is at for NEXO. So this is very important that if we stay in this uptrend, we stay in this uptrend like we are, you know, by like Monday or Tuesday, NEXO might be over 60 cents. And this is great news for all the NEXO holders, man. And you know, that's the day chart. We'll go to the 1 hour. You know, when we get to the 1 hour, you still can see it. Might need to take this off for the 1 hour. The longest, yeah, I need to shorten it up on the 1 hour, but I'm really not trying to, because it just looks so good to see it like this. Because as long as it's staying within this range, family, staying close to this line, this is what we want to see. We're a little bit oversold here, but you know, it corrected. And it's NEXO is just looking good, family. This is one of the coins that is looking real good. But we're gonna keep an eye on it because when the tide break, we're gonna be on top of it. You know, when it get ready to go down, we're gonna be on top of it. But right now, it's in this uptrend. And it's a great chart to look at, man. You can learn a lot from this chart. And especially if anybody been taking the advice since here it is December the 26th, NEXO was at 20 cents. That's November the 26th. NEXO was at 20 cents, family. And you can go a little bit further back, and basically NEXO was just moving sideways. But here it is in November the 10th is at 15 cents, family. Like, and I can just keep, you know, because I've been on NEXO for a while. I've been telling folks, you know, for a while. So here it is, October, 12 cents, you know, 12 cents in October. And even lower, what's this? 11 cents, right? So NEXO has been on a trend, family, and it's been on the upward trend. I mean, trend actually for a while, but it really took off, right? So that's a great sign. Overall, let's see about any type of news. There's always some news with the crypto world. Let's see what they got. Says the wealthy are jumping into Bitcoin as stigma around crypto to fade. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. This is where it's getting mainstream. When it get mainstream, we already know what time it is, right? MicroStrategy secures $635 million for another Bitcoin buy. These are long-term investors, right? So when you see stuff like this, when you see all this mainstream money coming into the market, you know that they're not coming in this market for nothing. They're coming in here for long-term investments, family. And these long-term investments means that it's a great future. And Bitcoin is moving now into the space where it's a store of value, where people are leaving gold and other commodities, and they're putting their money in Bitcoin as a store of value because they see the potential that it has, and it has a huge community of people that is willing to pay that type of money for it, family. And that's very important. Let's see what's going on Coinbase right now. I mean, CoinDesk, what they got going on? See some of their articles. A Bitcoin banker. Oh, DeFi game. Av got your preps for January 4th mainnet launch with NFT auction. Hey, listen, family. I ain't been talking about DeFi to y'all. You better join this Max Crypto News Advanced, join Max Advanced Crypto class. The DeFi is the future. DeFi is really where it's coming. Let me see what this is talking about. DeFi game, Av gotcha. Press for January 4th, man. Net launch with NFT options. The retro Tamagotchi inspired game that came to life at the end of DeFi Summer is launching in full on January the 4th. Family, there's a lot of games. None wells welcome. Oh, that's why Aves. So Aves DeFi platform is at the heart, but it's also incorporate the latest Chainlink oracles to create a full-on chain experience, especially with program. Now Aves, if y'all don't know about Aves, let me just let y'all see Aves real fast. Aves is something I missed out on. I missed the boat. I may get back, but it's at $77.88 right now, family. Abe is looking real good. The price is moving. When you look at this chart right here, let me go to Abe is a fairly new crypto. It ain't been out that long, and I missed the IPO with Abe. So it looked like it came out the 4th of October, but it came out, at $53. Price almost have doubled. But Abe is a DeFi, decentralized finance protocol that allows people to lend and borrow crypto, right? Similar to NEXO. Lenders earn interest by depositing digital assets into special created liquidity pools. Borrowers can then use their crypto as collateral to take out flash loans using this liquidity. Now this is where we're going with DeFi, family. If you're in the advanced crypto class, you're about to get a whole breakdown of DeFi, and we're gonna take y'all to that DeFi, because the DeFi is where it's at, family. XRP and the Flash token with the Spark. Yes, DeFi is coming. And I got a couple videos I'm gonna drop where I'm gonna talk about a little bit DeFi and what's going on with that Spark airdrop and the Flare network, family. This stuff is serious. DeFi is where it's at, family. Listen, y'all better go ahead and pay that $99 and email me at Max Crypto News to get the information. Send that $99 and take this class, because you're gonna want to know. You're gonna want to be in the know. And I'm gonna give it to you plain and simple. I ain't using all these big terms or nothing. I'm gonna just make it so it's plain and simple and we can all understand it, family. But DeFi is where we at, family. It said it there, right? With that, let me stop sharing my screen. With that being said, family, listen, man, I thank y'all. I really do appreciate y'all, especially those that watch these videos to the end. I really appreciate y'all at the end of the day for sparing me your time and energy, because you can be doing anything else. But if you sitting here listening to me to the end of these videos, I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And at the end of the day, I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for y'all. And I just hope y'all keep riding with me on this journey. This is a journey that we have started, and I hope y'all keep riding with me and we see it to the end. Because at the end of the day, we cannot get blindsided. We got to see this to the end to make sure that we able to apply this information and apply the changes that we're seeing in the world, and applying it using these 3 C's: common sense, current events, and calculations, and applying this, man, so we will be better prepared and we will better ourselves. Because trust me, anybody that has been invested in this crypto space for the last 2-3 years have seen their money turn. And the more you stay in this space, the more you invest, the more you will see returns in your money, and you will get put in situations wherein you can make life-changing money. You can get life-changing capital, family, right in this market if you play this market right. With that being said, man, I love y'all. Catch y'all on the next video. Peace.